Huh? Okay, grapefruit kono la. Ora futa follow ave en kono.
Can sit.
No, you sit down.
I'm going to your trees.
Oh, yeah.
All right, family. I am at a lime tree. I have to give y'all a close-up. I just showed you the ladies walking around to the restaurant. They're going over there for prayer, to give prayer, so that blessings can come to the restaurant. And this is a lime tree. Do y'all see how green these limes are? I don't think they happen this green in the States. Look at this one, y'all. This is the avocado that I told you turns very green. And then when it's ripe, it turns red. This is how it grows on the tree. I had to share. I'm at a friend's compound. The compound is huge. Lots of people, everyone getting along. And it's very beautiful. Do y'all see these? Because we just don't have them growing like that at home. This is everybody waiting. We walk in to the restaurant now. They're going over there first, and then we're waiting for the food to be ready.